Ostrich leather begins its journey far from the factory floor, out here in expansive, open-air farms. Healthy birds mean better hides. Careful raising directly shapes texture, strength, and that iconic quill pattern. After harvest, hides are sorted immediately and laid flat to protect fibers and natural moisture. Gloved hands inspect every panel, preserving the delicate quill crowns and removing defects with precision. Each hide is tagged, graded, and wrapped, then transferred to temperature-controlled trucks for safe transit. Cold chain transport preserves freshness, prevents damage, and locks in quality on the road to processing. This meticulous start under open skies sets the foundation for globally prized premium ostrich leather. From natural rawhide to future craftsmanship, and even unique, odor-free, high-protein pet chews supporting dental health.
Once the hides arrive at the factory, the preparation phase begins. Hides enter the washing section, where high-pressure water jets remove dirt, fat, and unwanted fibers. Skilled technicians trim away excess material and carefully inspect each hide to identify natural imperfections. During this stage, the iconic quill bumps begin to reveal their unique texture. This step is all about precision and cleanliness. A well-prepared hide ensures better tanning, richer color absorption, and a flawless final product. It's meticulous work, but essential for achieving luxury-grade results.
The next stage is tanning, turning raw hide into durable, flexible leather. Hides go into large rotary drums with specialized tanning solutions. As the drums turn, fibers soften and strengthen, building long-lasting structure. After tanning, hides move to dyeing, immersed in deep, rich color baths. From classic black to vibrant burgundy, color penetrates and highlights the quill pattern. Careful timing and expert supervision deliver consistent, luxurious tones.
In the final stage, the tanned and dyed hides move to the finishing department. Here, artisans apply conditioners, smooth the surface, and polish the leather. This brings out a beautiful natural shine that's unique to ostrich leather. Protective coatings are added to enhance durability and preserve the rich color.
Once finished, the leather is handed to skilled craftsmen. They transform it into high-end fashion goods, wallets, belts, handbags, and luxury accessories. Every cut is made with extreme precision and care. Each stitch must be flawless to maintain the highest quality standards. Edges are sealed to ensure longevity and a perfect professional finish. Every product undergoes rigorous inspection before approval. It's this blend of artistry and precision that elevates ostrich leather into a world-class material. Favored by luxury designers and discerning consumers worldwide,